Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. Let's be real, month-end closing is a chore every business owner loves to hate. But what if you could automate it? Today we're comparing two tools that promise just that: the AI wizardry of Docyt versus the guided efficiency of easy month-end. Let's see who wins. First, the big difference: approach. The big difference is approach. Think of Docyt as a robot accountant. Its AI aims to do everything for you: categorize transactions, pay bills, and even reconcile accounts automatically. Right, while Easy Month End is more like a brilliant assistant. It doesn't replace you. It gives you a super organized checklist and a central dashboard to complete your month-end close yourself, but way faster and without missing a step. Next, let's look at the setup. Docyt requires a more hands-on setup to connect all your accounts and train the AI. It's an investment for long-term automation. Easy Month End is typically quicker to onboard. You connect your accounting software and it provides that clear, guided workflow almost immediately. It's all about streamlining your existing process. And finally, who is it for? Docyt is a dream for super busy founders who want to be completely hands-off with their books. They just set it and forget about it. While Easy Month End, on the other hand, is perfect for business owners or bookkeepers who want to stay in control but are desperate for a smarter, faster, and error-free way to get the job done every month. So who is the winner? You are. It just depends on your style. If you want full automation and hate manual work, Docyt AI is your pick. But if you prefer a powerful, guided workflow that makes you the efficient expert, Easy Month End is your champion. You cannot lose. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if this helped you, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews that save you time and money. See you in the next video.